Welcome back, and yes, I kept Polestar Optimization on my XC70 T6, and in this video I will give you my opinion on the optimization before and after. Let's begin the video with installation of the badge. My dealer was very kind and provided me with two styles of badges. The angled one is the newer version, and the classic one, the square, which in my opinion will fit better the pre-restyled XC70 like mine. Comparing the two, the more sleek angled one is the new one, but I think the square one is more visible on the tailgate, so I'm gonna go with the classic one. Installation is pretty simple and self-explanatory. Everything is provided in the kit. After a thorough wash at a car wash, I'm installing the badge in this car wash because it's still very cold outside and it's winter. You want to dry the area and then prep the surface with this included in the kit surface cleaner. Then use the template to align the badge on the tailgate. You just can't go wrong here. And it's done. The blue Polestar badge definitely adds color to the car and it looks beautiful in my opinion. It just fits there. If you own a Volvo and your engine is turbocharged, most likely you can get Polestar. You're lucky. If it's naturally aspirated engine, you can't. The following screen will show you all the models that can be Polestar depending on the year, and I will include this link in the description below, so check it out and see if your Volvo can qualify for Polestar optimization. Volvo does not produce anymore any 5, 6 or 8 cylinder engines. They are now only available as 4-cylinder in both gas or diesel power, and I feel lucky that I own this 3-liter 6-cylinder turbocharged engine, which is reliable, powerful, trouble-free. The only disadvantage that it's pretty thirsty. So let's be proud of our last 5, 6 and 8 cylinders. They don't do them anymore. The car is optimized and now we can change a little bit the mood in the interior of my Volvo, and there is now limited edition Polestar mousse, which is handmade. It's a very good quality. Each mousse was handmade, and I'm gonna be swapping out from the Swedish one. The mousse are available in different country flags to your likes. The link will be in the description below where you can purchase it, and it fits the Volvo interior very well. So let's swap it out and enjoy the new limited edition Polestar mousse in my Volvo. Definitely a really nice touch to the interior of our Volvo, and it fits very well. Now let's get to the review of Polestar optimization. My first advice to you would be, before you Polestar, is to make sure that your Volvo is at stage 0. Now what I mean by stage 0 is that your engine doesn't have any malfunctions, there is no check engine light, there is no outstanding repairs on the vehicle, that the maintenance is up to date, you have fresh oil, all the filters are changed, meaning that the car is in good shape overall before you spend money on Polestar. As soon as I got the car from the dealer, what I felt immediately is how the vehicle reacts to the gas pedal. You just step on it and it reacts, it just goes. The transmission definitely changed its behavior. It shifts faster, it holds the gear, and you actually feel more power on the pedal. In other words, it feels like the car lost some weight. I don't know, maybe 300 kilos, 600 pounds approximately. It just feels lighter. It reacts faster to the input of when I press on the gas. And if you press on the gas, it just goes. Interesting fact is that on paper your acceleration 0 to 100 didn't change much. It did drop by a little, but it feels faster. It feels more responsive, it feels lighter, and it does feel more powerful. Now let's talk about torque, and the torque is amazing. You press on the gas gently and just look how it accelerates. The car didn't downshift, I'm not revving the engine, and it just speeds up. It just goes like a freight train. The torque is incredible. I'm glad that I do the review 1 month after optimization, and I can honestly tell you now that there is one disadvantage. The disadvantage is that after you Polestar it and you drive it for a while, you'll get used to it and it will not be as noticeable anymore. But I guess no matter how much power you get, it will be never enough. That sound of engine is incredible, I love it. You're gonna say that Polestar Optimization is expensive and overpriced, and you know what, I'm gonna 100% agree with you. It is expensive and it is overpriced, considering that you're getting software only. There's no parts involved here, but this is the price. And you know what, so many years I've been waiting to do it, and finally I did it. And why is because my Volvo is in great shape. I'm not planning to sell it. Why not just improve it? Just improve it and enjoy for the years to come. This is my suggestion to you. If your Volvo is in great shape and you don't have any plans on selling it and you want to keep it, do the Polestar Optimization, because it changes the behavior of the car and you're going to enjoy driving it for years to come. This is what I did and this is my plan. On a side note, I want to mention that Polestar claims there is no change in fuel consumption, and yes, I want to confirm that. I didn't see any difference in fuel consumption. It's already a pretty thirsty engine anyway. I do want to thank Volvo Winnipeg for doing a great job, for the support, for the help. It's a great service. I do recommend it. Thank you guys again. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.